Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. And you may be wondering what the hell is up with my desk. Well, what is up with my desk is this is my remote for my remote page turner. See it? Do you know what a remote page turner is? Okay, I should have brought the other piece down with me, but it's early and my boyfriend was still sleeping, so I just grabbed this and came downstairs. It is a piece that you clip onto your Kindle or your tablet that you can change your pages without touching your tablet. So you press this button and it changes the page on your book you're reading. Well, my issue with this is that it's black. Do you know how many times I lose this thing? I get up to go to the bathroom, come back, can't find it. I lose it constantly in my bedding when I'm reading at night in bed. Constantly lose it. So I wanted to remake this using beads so it's bright, colorful, fun, and I can't lose it. All right, great. So first thing I'm going to do is go through, I have so many beads, you guys. Like, I don't know how this happened. I want to go through and pick out two phrases I think that I want to use, and I'm using, where is it? I am going to use fabric covered elastic, okay? And I'm using elastic because, like you guys know, I fidget, so I'll use elastic a lot for these things. I'm going to go through and pick out the words that I want to use. It just takes a while because these are all jumbled up, but I'll be back then. Okay, took me way too long. Now we're just going to see what else we have. I don't know what's in here. There's a lot of stuff that I don't know what's in here. My mom gave me this, all of this stuff. I do want one that like ends it, like down here. So I'm going to grab some of those. I think that's probably good from here. I don't really see anything else that I might want to use. It's such a jumble. I don't think this one's so big, right? Like that's really big and clunky. Okay. I don't know what's in here. These are a bunch of little beads also. I don't know how many beads I'm going to need. I think that might be a problem. So what I am going to do is make this the same size as this and just a little bit longer. There we go. So now we can figure out how, like this will be the bottom here where it attaches to this. Right? So we need about this much. So what I'm going to do is even this out. Why? I don't know. But I'm going to knot it down here. Just so I know. This will also help that I'm using white instead of black. Because I do have black, but I decided on white. Alright. Let's see, what do we have in here? There's really nothing in here. There's a silver owl. We'll throw him in there. Okay. And we have these purple pieces, but these have like weird, they don't slide through. So we could probably put this away and not use any of that. And then we have these. So we're definitely going to take an owl or two, because if you don't know me, I love owls. And then some of these purple ones. I don't care. I'm not sure where I want to go with this. Does that make sense? We have some of these. Let's cut this apart and take some of these. Okay. I dropped it. Come back here. There we go. I also have metal owls here. Look, there's metal owls. So why don't we take some of those too. What I'm going to do then is lay everything out and see how much I need. Okay. Oh, I like these. Let's cut some of these off. Okay. All right, what else we got? Okay. Let's figure out what we need. And the way I'm going to do that is by just laying this down, and I'm going to take and just lay them and see how long they are when you lay them down. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? I need I want to separate. These are two words, so I want to separate them. Hey now, don't roll away. You stay right there. So it looks like I only need a few more for this side, right? Oh, we forgot about these. We have this guy, that's going to be at the bottom. And then we'll need a small one. What I wanted to do, hold on, I'll show you. I need a bigger, hold on. Okay, so this is a wooden bead from Dollar Tree, and what I wanted to do was put these beads on both sides. So, like this. Nope, that's not gonna work. I don't like that. Maybe this one. So like this, okay, like that on both sides, and then I'm gonna split it and do beads on one side. So I think I have enough. I don't think I should put the owls right there though, because there's already an owl there. So we're going to put them farther on through. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this. Through the holes. This happens every time, because this is way bigger, so I can't use that one. I knew that was going to happen, you guys. I knew it. Happens every time. There's always one bead that I can't get through because the hole's too small and I'm using too thick of elastic. Every time. Alright. That's okay. We'll just go through and get other ones. So I'm just going to string the words. Actually, let me so you can see a little better, huh? Okay, is that better? You can see a little bit better. This is also too small of a hole. My owl. So when my son was younger, we lived next door to a guy named Al. And my son couldn't say owl for the life of him, so he would say owl. Okay, so that's what I have so far. Alright, I think I'm going to, I need to find something else that's big enough that can go through. I don't think these beads are big enough. These holes. They might be. Let me see. Let me pour some into here. That way I can easily put them back in this container. So let's see. I do have to trim it. The ends start to fray. I also I'm going to pull out my scissors and clean my scissors today. My scissors are so bad. Nope. This is too thick to go through that. Alright. Okay. I think that is going to be good. I have these out just in case I need for over here. And then I found this little heart one, and look at this little star. So we're going to put the star in first down here. I'm going to put this owl down here so it's not up by the other one because they're both so big and chunky. And then the words, and we'll go from there and see what exactly it is I need. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I also then just looked to see if I could find if they make decals for these. And I couldn't find decals for, you know, because they make all kinds of like skins for all kinds of products. I was hoping that somebody came out with some, but there are none. So I figured this was the easiest way. And if you've ever seen, they make phone charms like this, and that's what gave me the idea. But I think this will work really well for me. And that, I mean, if I can't see this laying somewhere, then there's a problem. you know? Oh. That's the only problem with this elastic. It ends up fraying at the ends the more you put through it. I don't need it to be as long as it was. It's not like I wear it, I don't wear it over my wrist. Okay, so it needs, I think I may put one of these there, and then a few beads here. We'll use purple. If I could see the hole. Jeez. That's what happens when you get freaking old. You can't see the hole. Hole's too small. That would be why. Alright. So what I think I'm going to do is just say screw it. Pull this tight and knot it. I think that's good, because if I wanted, I could slip it over my wrist. I don't want to, though. Okay, there we go. I'm going to knot it one more time. Because the one thing I don't want is for it to come undone and I have to look for beads everywhere. Alright. So there we go. We can trim off the rest of the pieces, and when I go upstairs, I will cover it with nail glue. I thought I had nail glue down here, but I don't think I do. There we go. And then I kind of buried the piece inside this over here. So there we go. I like it. I think it's cute. So let's tie it on here. Oh, so much better. What do you guys think? What do you think? I like it. I'm glad I decided to do it. I'm going to put that somewhere else just in case. I'm not going to get rid of it, but there you go. Let me clean up and then zoom in for you to have even better of a look. Alright, let's zoom in a little bit so you can see it just a little bit better. There you go. What do you guys think? Quick and easy. The most time it took me was picking, it took me a while to find the letters to pick out the words. But I like it, and I think I'm going to like it. Thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.